Hello everyone, this is my second course module, and my second course module is related to the lines of symmetrical of 2D shapes. First of all, I put the quiz activity in order to find the students know about the 2D shape. Actually, my first course module is related to the two-dimensional shapes. So with this questions, I will come to know about the students know the two-dimensional shapes or not. If they know, then it's good. Then if they don't know about it, then I will again discuss about the two-dimensional shapes so that they can easily learn about and the lines of symmetry of two-dimensional shapes. Second thing, this is my course. This is a small video of symmetrical shapes of 2D, and in this video I discuss about what are the different type of the two-dimensional shapes and what are the symmetrical shapes. For example, you can see in this video. uh, if Here is the small definition of the two-dimensional shapes and that I discussed in my first lesson, first course module. And in this video I mostly added the real life examples because most of the students can easily learn about the real life example. In order to learn easily, I put all real life example in my video. And in the next slide I put what is the line of symmetry. Here is a definition of the line of symmetry so that students can read and they can easily know about what is the symmetry. And I added the picture of the butterfly in order to define the line of symmetry. For example, we can draw any line in the middle of the butterfly. Both the lines are same. So this is there is a one line of symmetry. And but there are the three type of symmetrical lines we can put. For example, horizontal, vertical and diagonally. And here is the pictures of the square, so that I can easily define that what is the vertical line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry and diagonal line of symmetry. And now here I will discuss about three different type of shapes and their lines of symmetry. First of all, the circle is a symmetrical shape. And here is there is only one line of symmetry and same as that of rectangle. Triangle is also a symmetrical shape and we can draw any line in the middle of the triangle. And most of the shapes have more than one line of symmetry. So I will also discuss about that kind of shapes in which they have more lines of symmetry. For example, the sphere have four lines of symmetry. What we can draw lines vertically, horizontally and diagonally. And here is the rectangular shape. Rectangle is also a symmetrical shape. And the rectangle also have the two lines of symmetry. So I also added one jamboard activity. Here is the link of the jamboard activity. In this way I can easily know about that what the students learn from this video, and they can use that kind of instruction in the jamboard activity. Here is the diamond. And I encourage the students to draw a line of symmetry and also encourage them to know that they can tell me that how many lines of symmetry diamond have. I put the four pictures in the jamboard. For example, one is the heart. In this shape they can draw a line of symmetry, and they can also tell me how many lines of symmetry of the heart have. And here is the picture of oval, and this is the small activity in which students have to draw the line of symmetry. And there are the nine shapes, so they can draw a line of symmetry in that shapes. So this is the best method. They can use that information that they learn from the classroom. Here is the worksheet, and I added the two two worksheet, and but the worksheets have a deadline. They have to submit that worksheet on 10th of April. In the first worksheet, for first worksheet, they have to draw a line of symmetry. And first of all, I discuss about what is the line of symmetry, and I show the example of star. With the help of this example, they can draw the line of symmetry. Here is the small worksheet in which they can students come to know about what is a symmetrical shape and asymmetrical shape. And I draw the line of symmetry. The students can draw and write that what oval have a symmetrical shape or not, rectangle have symmetrical shape or not. So in this way they can learn about the asymmetrical shape also. Here is the small rubrics of the rubrics, so that I come to know about what the students learn from the classroom. They meet the expectations of second lesson plan or not. And I also added some guidelines for the students. First of all, I include the instructions that the attendance are mandatory for the course. If they have any query, then they can discuss with the face to face session. Also they also have to submit the assignments before or due date. And here is a link of the Google Meet. They have to meet at 1 to 2 p.m. On Google Meet, and every day there will be a classes for that session. And here is a small video of submitting the assignment. Some students don't know about how to submit the assignment, so with this video they can easily learn about how to submit the assignment on the Google Classroom, which is very easy for them. So this is my second course prototype. And thank you everyone for listening my second course prototype. Thank you.